Hello everybody, it's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique and Crafting Page. We're going to be crafting with a pizza pan from Dollar Tree. And a placemat also from Dollar Tree. So I've got my pizza pan and I've got some antique white apple barrel paint. And you can get this at Walmart and I think it's like 50 cents. And y'all, you only need to paint the edges of this, like right on the inside edge, the top edge, and then the outside edge, like that. I thought it'd be fun to do a pizza pan craft on National Pizza Day. It does not have to be perfect, just cute. And y'all, your paint will dry in no time using one of these. So, anyway, that's dried just that quick, y'all. Okay, so I'm using Varathane wood stain in dark walnut. I'm just going to take this stain and just, go around it a little bit with my... Will you grab me a paper towel? And then I'm going to take a paper towel to get most of the stain off. I don't want that much stain on there. All right, y'all. So this is what we have now that I did the stain. It just kind of antiqued it some. Oh, thank you, Camille. The next thing we're going to do is I'm going to, let me see. Bye. Bye, Mama. I love you.
Love you too.
Have a good night.
Sorry.
It's okay. I'm trying to see how... Okay, so I'm just going to cut this. Thank you, Michelle. The circle out on this. Placemat. So see, and this says, live every moment with joy and laughter. Isn't that awesome? And I'm always telling y'all, smile, smile. It makes a world of difference. So I'm just going to take hot glue and glue this in to my pizza pan. And I'm actually going to put, ooh, hang on, y'all. I did not mean to put y'all in the dark. Hang on. Sorry about that. I'm just going to put glue all over my pizza pan. Let me get another glue stick. Your placemat in the pizza pan. And so then you have that. I've got this nautical rope from Dollar Tree. And that's what I'm going to use to outline this placemat inside the pizza pan so you don't see the edges. Start wherever, like, because I'm going to put a bow on here. So if you make one of these, make sure to start wherever you can cut it up. I mean, cover it up so that you don't see your starting and ending point. And then just, put glue around and push your rope down. Right, so this is what we have now. So see what I was saying, start like in a place where you'll cover it up. I'm going to put a bow up here. I'm just going to make kind of like a, I don't know, floppy bow. Okay. Okay, y'all. And I'm just going to take a piece of twine. And this twine came from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to tie this ribbon off, this bow off, I should say, with my twine. And then once you get it knotted and all that, just take it and fluff it. However you want yours to look. Alright, so there's my bow so far. Isn't that cute, y'all? I'm just going to dovetail my ends. And I do this every time I make a bow. Y'all know how to do this. You just fold it in half and cut it at an angle. So then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to glue it to the top of my pizza pan. I just want to make sure I get it where I want it before I glue it. I'm just holding this down, y'all, because I don't want it to pop off. And then fluff your bow some more once you get it on there. I'm gonna try to cut some of these off of here and stick them underneath my bow, like coming out. I'll show y'all what I mean. Okay, so there's one. I'm just going to take these and glue them where they stick out from under the bow. I'm just putting a little bit of glue and I'm sticking the stem in it. It's easy. And you can use whatever, I mean, you know, they have several different placemats that have quotes on them. You can use whichever one you want. You can use whatever kind of ribbon you want. You can paint the pan or not paint the pan. You can use whatever flowers you want. You can make it your own. Okay. And then I wanted to put a piece of the cotton just in the center of the bow. Oh, y'all, this is so cute. If you like it, you got to give me hearts, y'all. Look at how cute that turned out. Is that not adorable? And that cost all of $3 to make.